spiritually, it is a supreme privilege to get to serve in that building and help to make laws. But I do find myself supremely, I can't even tell you how supremely insulted I am that we pass laws that has set the state on a path of culture of control. This culture of control of women's bodies is an obsession with some of the folks who serve here. I find myself today reminiscing about all the people who have made it possible for me to even assume I have a sovereign right to my body. So today, I want to do a little call and response and wonder, what if they had not answered the call for us that we can stand here today when they were called on? Wonder what would have happened had Bella Abzug not showed up when it was time to stand up for women. One of the things that Bella said that lives with me, she just made the observation, I'm quoting, the test of whether or not you can have control of your body should not have anything to do with the arrangement of your chromosomes. Nothing. And Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who when she was